Hey guys, I'm Eric and I'm currently a law student as well as a member of the Legal Forecast here in Victoria. For those that don't know, the Legal Forecast is an amazing organization run by law students and early career professionals that looks at advancing law through a young person perspective. Over the last couple of weeks, I've been working on this really exciting project with Spark Deakin for Global Entrepreneurship Week next month. The event is called Bravery in Law and Innovation, a Courageous Workshop. How do you explain the importance of bravery? For me, I wouldn't have done as much amazing things in my life or this year alone without having been brave, and I really do want other people to have the same opportunities and even more than I have had. But law students can only really take advantage of these opportunities by being brave, by going against the grain, going against expectations of what law school or the legal profession dictates you should be doing to really be a pioneer. I don't want to give away too much about the workshop at this moment because we are still in the works and we do have a lot of exciting things we want to surprise you guys with, but we are premising the workshop on facing your inner saboteur. So I have taken inspiration from drag queens and RuPaul's Drag Race about really changing yourself first before you can change the world. Here are some behind the scenes with the amazing team I'm working on in creating this event for you guys. If you are interested in coming to this event, please do register. I will link the registration at the bottom, but do stay tuned because we are releasing more sneak peeks and insights into what the workshop will be about the closer we get to the date.